YouTube. Set up the camera. YouTube, morning. Live again. So may I say, Ayze on the case. Yeah, man. I have some hot thing to talk about today. Some hot thing, as may I say. Well, Amari, back in that thing. Big up Amari. So may I say, Amari have a hot video out right now named Where is Bop? So may I say, she have 2 hot singles. Yesterday she said she are going to the studio go do another one. So I don't know. She has right now everything she put in our song. One after the other. You see me I say? And you see the song I say Where is Bop? I want hot tune. Mad tune. You see me I say? They on YouTube, man. You know go take in man. Take in. You see me I say? What I say right now, you know say Gully Bop give Amari fame, see? And Amari say, yo, take your fame from you, you know. And right now, Amari think up more on Gully Bop right now. You see me I say? And then she go do his song and now say, Where is Bop? Instead of Bop answer the blood plate song, Bop in a bush. You shoot body in a bush. You see me I say? Just was style. You know I laugh still. But here we go on. I went there me I watch Jamaican P no star. Big up Jamaican P. Up there. Smoke and bake artist. Up there. Yeah man, big up Jamaican P star. It come like so where they me take in Jamaican P and the man I say. You end up on the live and the man I say, I'm log in on the live. See? And the man I say, yo, Gully Bop in a bush a shoot. Bud. You see me I say, the man get grieving and come and say, yo, I fuck with that Gully Bop go and do star. If you left about them, you see me I say, bombard. You know, but yesterday, I come across a video. You see man in a bush for true bridging. I say, bombard. So instead of a man answer a song, saying, because Amari say, Where is Bop? Saying, a man gone in a bush, I say, see, here I am in a bush. Like, I must that him I say. You see? John was star. So, you see, you know, say, well, social media always a Bop Amari, a bash Amari and Jamaican the man thing. But I end of the day, you know, company conscious side of this thing, you know, because you see me as a man, me not talk, me not company has to come broke down nobody. You see me I say, we not broke down nobody around on this channel. You see me I say, you see if a man doing thing and you forget him props, and you forget him props. Amari do a good song and the video is real good. The video look like he shot in New York. You see me I say, all white people in that video they say, Where is Bop? You think, you see me I say, so what me I say right now, Gully Bop gone back in a gully. Everybody know that. It's the Jamaican people them are some fuck up set of people them when they're ready, you know. Cause them bust Gully Bop, you know. And Gully Bop waste out in thing, you know. I know him flap, you know. Nobody no business with Gully Bop again, you know. The man saying a bush a chat to 3. I 3 them him out chat to all and foolishness there. You see me I say, so me I wonder if him alright. You see me I deal with. What me I say I know? What me I say I know? You see, this our Amari do you know, is a comeback, you know. He might build back for Gully Bop, you know. He might try help back Gully Bop for come back, you know. You see me I say, so why man for do? Man for answer a song. I know in a no disrespectful way to just answer a song normal and build a vibes. And then Amari do another one and do another one till it end up each person have all 30 songs. After I said scenario like a Papa San and Lady G style. You see me I say? And come out in the thing. And moreover that go into a international local thing called Amari the rap. You see me I deal with? A rap Amari a rap in a fair thing, you know. You see me I say, so an idea. If they do it like that, they can tour down the whole world. Because you not even if you have 30 songs, you can have 15 songs each. You see me I say, a tour down the whole world. Me they tell you that. You see me I say so. A them they met the Gully Bop shot depend on the man a cussy woman and a call woman goat and all kind of foolishness. Like him nah no sense. You see me I say, yeah man, I can't no blood clear cell star. You see me I deal with. So right now, me some vlogger they talk off them out. And I say, yo, and I call on him still. Like them a laugh off Amari song and a find fault I song. You see me I say, but I any idea. It's a music a art, brother. You see me I deal with. And sometimes how you say song. You see me I say sometimes how you say it. Because I see rap artists, they rap. And if me no read, if me no go up on the web and read, why them a say, and I understand some of my word them. Because even take off in amigos. When a man they rap in a certain style, you have to go read it on internet. You see me, I have to go Google what I must say. You see me, I say, because he do it in a one style, but in a call out the word them so well clear. You see me, I say, so, you can't bash it, man. You said one I say, no. You said one I say, the Chinese them are unite and build one another, and we a fight against one another and build one another. You see me, I say, well, you see, Amari do a thing there. Nobody not supposed to criticize the woman thing. You see me, I say, you know, for build a thing. Everybody for build a thing. You see me, I deal with everybody for build a thing. You see me, I say, yeah. But what a brother your name again, man. A one man come on and say, yo, it sound wicked and a Richie feelings. A one man. I'm a real big up Richie feelings. That's me I say, yo, when me hear Richie feelings do that, me have to say, Jano, big up Richie feelings, cause yo, Richie feelings are a selector, you know. So you see, if I see Richie feelings say that, you know, say every dance where I'm a play, you don't know, say Amari have a spot right there, so. That's me I say, just like how Sizzler have a spot in a dance hall, Bob Marley have a spot, Caperton have a spot, Bunty have a spot, Cartel have a spot, Movado have a spot, Alkaline have a spot, Tamili have a spot, Massacre have a spot. And so me I say, right now, Amari get a spot in a dance hall right now. And so me I deal with, cause Richie Feelings come out and they must say a wickedest thing and they must play a song. No say I go play a song. And you see, for one hot selector start play a song, every selector go start play. And every selector go want blood clot and dub. You see me I say, remember me telling you that. So that we want to see. You see me? That them the unity that we want to see. Me now come here come break down nobody. You see me I say, and talk about this and talk about that. You see me I say, everybody what the music, art, and me always I say this and them thing good. Me now break down nobody. You see me I say, me now break down nobody cause I any idea. True you talk Jamaican and a Jamaican say a thing and it might not sound good to you. But when you go viral, brethren, everybody want to hear it. Cause I an idea me have a song so well want a bus, I forget a bus. You see me I say, and it now play. You see me I say, me pass you on the day of Jamaica, me send you a Jamaican thing. And me have it on my channel and people now view a song. You see me I say, cause I an idea. Most of them are Jamaican and them I say, yo. Probably them I say, it's a song and not hot. You see me I say, but it's music. Let me tell you how music stay. You have to listen to music over and over and over and over till you understand and know the words of the music. When you know the words of the music and you can sing the music, that is the time when the music is nice to you. But if you just listen to a song one time and say, oh shit, this song sound good, and gone and you listen to it again. You see me? Yeah, that's a valuable thing right there. You see me I say? The reason why Cartel come up so big is because the media boss Cartel, you know. And the man good, the man have style and pattern and good. And I any idea. every selector start play a song. Everybody play in them car everywhere. So at the end of the day, the song in everybody ears. You see me I say? So the song now become an anthem. All the song now become an anthem to everybody. Because in everybody ears. Everywhere you go, you have to hear a cartel. You see me I say? Well, if you select them when they play, every artist would have big. You see me I say? So, I want everybody play woman song, brethren. Song, mad. You see me I say, I want Gully Bop to come in. And where they me all hear China talk say, you know, link back with Gully Bop, you know. You see me I say. And for a long time, I say, yo, artists, if you link up, brethren, and do combination, because combination are the best thing. If you have 3 artists link up, look what hip-hop artists them do it. You have 3 artists link up and combine. He sang them mad. You see me I say? He sang them mad. Where the Migos them are running place, you know. And Migos them do a song say walk it talk, you know. And walk it like a talk it. And in a day, when me look at Drake, me see pop out in a song. Drake. You see me I say bombard. Because Drake just come out back with film at tune. You see me I say? And in a day thing at. You see me I say? And who in a song again? Jamie Foxx. Jamie Foxx in a song. Like, we do a little comedian style thing in a song. In a video. Real mad. You see me I say? So, in a day. And if you check for back in the days that come up, all like combination them are the artist thing. You get what I say? Artist thing. Right now, if Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Cartel, Tommy Lee, you see me I say? Massacre, Alkaline, you see me I say? Movado. If all of them do one combination, brethren, right away. And if you put 10 artists, if you load it up and put 10 artists on a track in one combination, some of them are sing together and some are sing single. And you put that blood clot together and say a wickedest bomber class song. You remember a song was Snow when sing with Beanie Man sitting there. That you remember artists them. A combination of a wicked blood click combination. And Beanie Man I say, he not send back no girl go a jam. I don't remember that tune. You see me I say, that I want a wickedest combination. You see me I deal with. And then Cartel when come back with Ramping Shot. Look on that combination with my Spice. Or with Wicked. You see me I say. So, what me they try to say right now? Saying, so when I say, when our own people do something, support them. No matter what the person do in their past, brethren, support the people them, brethren. Support we own. And see, anytime see we start support we own, you know what go up now, everybody go start support we. And people go have respect for we. Cause me hear the blogger that they say it, you know. Say yo, if you support we own and people we respect we and thing. But in come back now and I laugh off of Amari. Instead of give Amari he might tell people if you go listen his song. Well, that are good. That is a little support. That's so. You see me I say, but no laugh off a woman, bro. No laugh off a woman them the way them man. Human thing act, man. You see me I say, a Gully Bop to come up now. Gully Bop to come up and say something. You see me I say, Gully Bop to say something, brethren, and stop going like an idiot about you in a bush. You see me I deal with. Gully Bop to come up and say something, you know. That me want to say. You see me I say, and the thing gone up at again. Because Amari smart, you know. Amari get the fame. And in dep on social media every day and billion followers them. And in billion followers them all about Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You see me I say, you have no followers. And then now you start drop it through them now. And yesterday, up to yesterday she say, yo, she had dropped tune after tune now. You see me I say? Yeah, so that we want to see. And I wish all the best for Amari. I want to see Amari boss big. I make some dirty bad mind people shame. I want to see Gully Bop come up too. You see me I say? I say Gully Bop come up to. Remember I'm telling you that. Yeah, man. Ayze the girls, man, and only baby, you know, man. I may I say, yo, like and share and subscribe. I beg on to subscribe. I need the subscribe right now. I need you to subscribe. You see me, I say, everybody subscribe on the channel. You see me, I say, yeah, man. I go get ready for go work, you know. So, you know, I'm out later on. One love, Jamaica.